Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. So we'll take one more numerical here from the utility factor, utility per unit length here. I will just read the question. Three new roads ABC are to be completed in a district during a 5-year plan period. Work out the order of priority for phasing the planned program by maximum utility principle from the data given below. Adopt utility unit 0.5 for the population less than 2000, 1 for population between 2001 to 5000, and 2 for more than 5000, and 1 catering for 10,000 tons, 1000 tons, 1 catering for 1000 tons of agricultural, and 10 for 100 tons of industrial products. Assume any other data. Okay, so what are the three? So here directly has given the problem statement along with the table they are going to give. Okay, in the problem statement what they are given, three different roads are there. Three different roads are there. Road A, B and C. Length of route A is 15 kilometer and that B is 12 kilometer and for C it is 18 kilometer. Number of villages served population. They categorize the villages with the population less than 2000 and between 2000 to 5000 and above the 5000. So number of villages served by less than 10 for A it is 10, for B it is 16, for C it is 20. Similarly, the population between 2000 to 5000 in between, for category A road A it is 8, for B it is 3, for C it is 10. And the number of villages whose population is above 5000 are, for A it is 3 villages, for B it is 1, for C it is 2. And there are productivity, the agriculture as well as industrial, that will be there in terms of tons. Numbers are 15 for A, 11 for B and 20 for C. Similarly, industrial it is 1.20 and 0.8. So here they are given the utility unit as 0.5 for the villages whose population is less than 2000 and 1 for population 2000 to 5000, 2001 to 5000 and 2 for population more than 5000. And for the agricultural productivity, the unit factor they are given is 1 for 1000 tons, for 1 for how much 1000 tons, and 10 for 100 tons in the industrial products, 10 for 100 tons, or you can call 1 for 10 tons for the industrial products. Okay, we'll solve the solution here. We'll draw one table containing road ABC. Three different roads are there, and length they are given. For A it is 15, B it is 12, C it is 18. So total utility units served by the road. So 10 into 0.5. 10 into 0.5. It is population is less than 2000. First one, 10 villages with population less than 2000. So utility unit is 0.5. So 10 into 0.5 plus 8 into 1. Year number of villages between the population 2001 to 5000 and utility unit for that is 1, plus 3 into 1, 3 into how much 2. There are 3 villages whose population is above 5000 and utility unit for that it is 2. Okay, again agricultural productivity is 15 into 1, 15 into 1, and industrial it is 1.2 into 10. Okay, 1.2 into 10. So that is in terms of 15 number of villages whose agricultural productivity is above 1000. Remember it, about 1000 tons. In the question you should consider, you should see here, there are 15 number of villages whose productivity, agricultural productivity is more than 5000. What? More than 1000 tons. It is 1000 tons. Okay. For that the utility unit is 1. Similarly, for industrial product, having more than 100 tons of industrial products, there are 1.2 numbers. Okay, so here 115 into 1, 15 into 1, 15 numbers into utility unit it is 1, and 1.2 into utility unit is 10. So you will get the total utility, that is 46. How much it is? Total utility as 46. So utility per unit length, it is the length is 15 kilometer, total length of class A type of road. Okay, 15 kilometers the length. So the utility unit is 46 divided by 15, it is 3.07. Similarly, for B, will come for the road of B type. The length is 12 kilometer. There are 16 villages whose population is less than 2000. 16 into utility unit is 0.5. Why? Because the population is less than 2000. And there are 3 villages whose population is between 2001 to 5000. Whose population is 2001 to 5000. So 3 into 1 plus, there are 1 village whose population is above 5000. So 1 into 2. Why? 2 is the number whose 2 is the utility unit for population having more than 5000. So 1 into 2 plus, there are 11 villages whose agricultural productivity is above 1000. So it is 11 into utility unit for agriculture, it is 1. So 11 into 1. There are 0 number of villages whose productivity is more than 1000 tons. So it is 0 into 10. So total utility what we got is 24. So 24 divided by 12, it is 2. Clear? Similarly, C type of road here, the total length in kilometers it is 18. Total length is 18. Here 20 number of villages whose population is less than 2000. There are 20 number of villages whose population is less than 2000. And there are 10 villages whose population is between 2001 to 5000. And there are 2 villages whose population above 5000. So it is 20 into 0.5 plus 10 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus, there are 20 villages whose productivity is 1000 tons. So 20 into utility unit is 1, and there are 0.8 villages whose productivity is, industrial product is 100 tons. So it is 0.8 into utility factor is 10. So total utility what we got is 52. So utility per unit length it is 52 divided by 18. So we got 2.89. Now we'll have to prioritize. we'll have to give the priority. So whose utility per unit length is more, for them we'll give the first priority. Whose utility per unit length is more means that is much usable thing, isn't it? That is much in usage. Okay, based on the utility per unit length, more the utility per unit length will give the first priority. So likewise 2.89 will be the priority number 2, and 2 it is priority number 3. Okay, so this is your second numerical. Third one,